Hello students! If you are in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade, this video was made to show you what to expect from a Lincoln Learning course. Did you know that there are other videos available that give you tips for working through your courses? There are even videos that show you how to take tests in your online courses. Click on the Navicon, or the three little lines in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Then click Tutorials to see the list of useful videos. Be sure to check out Getting to Know Buzz while you're there.
Hi there! Are you new to Buzz? Don't worry, it's easy to use. I'm happy to share some great tips to help you get started.
Back in the main menu, you will also see the Technical Support option. If you run into any problems with your courses, such as broken links or interactive elements not working, click this option to contact the help desk at Lincoln Learning Solutions. When your teacher has important announcements for the whole class, you will find them by clicking here. Let's take a look at this middle school physical science course. You can see that this physical science teacher added a welcome note. If your teacher has also added a note, be sure to check it for important information. Now, take a look at the Course Resources folder. This folder contains useful documents that you can reference throughout the course. The pacing guide shows you every item that your course contains. You will see that the topics and lesson numbers are listed, followed by all activities for each lesson. Use the pacing guide to help you stay on track for completing your course on time. Usually, you are required to complete a lesson per day in each course, but be sure to check with your teachers for any special instructions for completing your work. Each course is set up in the order that your teacher thinks is best. So it's important to follow the course in the order you find it and avoid skipping around. Every lesson contains objects to help you learn in the manner that's best for you. To learn more about the content of courses, check out the Tutorials page and watch What is a Learning Object?
These learning objects can be assigned independently, but when they are arranged in courses, they create rich lessons.
No matter which way you learn, be sure to take notes to help you retain information. Buzz Notes, Text Help Notes, or even just the notebook and pencil are each great ways to keep track of important information. There are assessments in each course. To learn more about assessments, go to the Tutorials page and watch How to Submit and Upload Assessment and How to Submit an Online Assessment. Do you want to be successful in your online courses? Be sure to have a dedicated space where you can complete schoolwork every day. Following a daily schedule will help you succeed too. Have a question? Send an email to your teacher. Check out the Sending Your Teacher Mail video for more information on how to email your teacher. Now that you are a middle schooler, you can begin to take charge of your own learning. Are you taking English Language Arts? How about mathematics, science, or social studies? You will spend about an hour a day doing schoolwork in each subject. However, it's important to get up and move throughout the day, so be sure to schedule some physical breaks into your daily routine. Now you know what you need to be successful. Let's power up and get started.